Hello friends, myself Harish Kumar Gupta. In previous lecture, we have solved question number 6 to 10 of class 7th and 8th NMTC paper 2012. In this lecture, we solve question number 11. 11th question is a point O inside a rectangle ABCD is joined to the angular points. Then it is said that a rectangle is ABCD A, B, C, D and a point O is inside the rectangle. Now first option is sum of the areas of two of the triangles so formed is equal to the sum of other two. Here in rectangle we know that the sum of the opposite triangles area is equal to the sum of other opposite triangles. We see that we join point D to O and point O to A. Now again we join point O to C and point O to B. In this case we find the area of triangle ODA. Area of triangle ODA equals to, here first we draw a line parallel to AB and CD. Because ABCD is a rectangle, we give the name points E and H. Then OH is perpendicular to BC and AD will be perpendicular to OE. Now area of triangle ODA half into AD into OE. Again area of triangle BOC will be equal to half of BC into OH. Now we add in both areas. Then area of triangle ODA plus area of triangle BOC half into AD into OE plus half into BC into OH. Because ABCD is a rectangle, so AD equals to BC. Then we take common AD. Then we find that the area of triangle ODA plus area of triangle BOC equals to half of into AD into D plus AD into OE plus OH. चूंकि AB is parallel to CD and is parallel to EH, तो OE plus EH equals to half into AD into EH or half into AD into AB. Thus we find that the sum of areas triangle ODA or triangle BOC will be equal to half of rectangle ABCD. Thus again we see first option, sum of areas of two triangles so formed is equal to sum of other two. Thus हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि किन्हीं भी दो एरियाज का सम अदर टू एरियाज के सम के इक्वल होगा, बिकॉज अपोजिट टू एरियाज का सम अदर टू अपोजिट एरियाज के सम के इक्वल होता है. नेक्स्ट बी ऑप्शन, द सम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स ऑफ फॉर्म इज होल नंबर व्हाट एवर मे बी द डायमेंशन ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. दिस ऑप्शन विल ऑल्सो बी इनकरेक्ट बिकॉज द सम ऑफ whole triangles will depend on dimension of rectangle. If we take dimension, suppose length 1.5 and width 0.5, then area of rectangle will be 1.5 into 0.5 means 0.75. This is not a whole number, so B option is incorrect. A option is also incorrect, and the last option C, it is given that the sum of the areas of pair of opposite triangle is greater than half of the areas of rectangle. We have proved that the sum of pair of opposite triangles is equal to the area of half of rectangle. So C option is also incorrect. Thus D option, none of these will be. Again repeat करते हैं. क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ था एक रेक्टेंगल एबीसीडी दिया हुआ है, इसके अंदर कोई एक पॉइंट O है. इस पॉइंट O को एंगुलर वर्टेक्स ABCD से ज्वाइन कर दिया गया है. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन जो है सम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स सो फॉर्म्ड इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द अदर टू. हमने यहाँ पे प्रूफ किया कि जो अपोजिट ट्राइंगल्स बनेंगे उनका सम आपस में इक्वल होगा, जबकि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में ऐसा दिया हुआ था एनी टू एरियाज, सम ऑफ एनी टू एरियाज विल बी इक्वल टू अदर टू. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट. सेकंड ऑप्शन इज गिवन दैट द सम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स सो फॉर्म्ड इज अ होल नंबर, but it is also incorrect because the sum of areas of triangle will depend on dimension of rectangle. For example, if we take dimension length equals to 1.5 and breadth equals to 0.5, then we find that the area of rectangle is 0.75, which is not a whole number. Thus, B option is also incorrect. C option, it is given that the sum of the areas of a pair of opposite triangle is greater than half of the area of rectangle, because we have proved that the areas of pair of opposite triangles is equal to the half of area of rectangle. Means D option will be correct. Next question देखते हैं. Question number 12. In the adjoining figure, ABCD and BGFE are rhombus. AB equals to 10 and GF equals to 3 cm. ABCD एक rhombus है and BGFE भी एक rhombus है जिनकी sides 10 and 3 है. GE meets DC at H, जो GE है वह H पे मीट करती है, and DC at H. Angle A is given 60 degree. We have to find the perimeter of ABEHD in centimeter. Here we see that in triangle ABD, at first we join B to D. Now in triangle ABD, AB equals to 10 and AD is also 10 because ABCD is a rhombus. Thus ABD will be an isosceles triangle. Then if angle A is 60, then in triangle ABD, angle A plus angle ABD plus angle ADB equal to 180. 60 plus angle of ABD plus angle of ADB equals to 180. Because ABD is isosceles triangle, then this angle ABD will be equal to angle of ADB. Means we find that angle ABD will be equal to 60 degree and angle ADB will also be equal to 60 degree. Means ABD is a equilateral triangle, then angle of ABD will be 60, such that we see in triangle BCD, because BC equals to CD, thus BCD is a isosceles triangle, and in this triangle angle of CBD will also be equal to 60 degree and angle of CDB will be 60 degree. Means triangle BCD will also be a equilateral triangle because ABCD is a parallelogram or rhombus. Thus we can say that angle A and angle CBG will be corresponding angle and will be equal. Means CBG is also a 60 degree. Now we have proved that ABD is equal to triangle, means BD will be 10, and in triangle CHE, angle CHE will be 60 degree and angle CEH will be 60 degree. Thus it is also equilateral triangle. Thus we can say that EH will be equal to 7. EH will be equal to 7. Now we want to find the perimeter of ABEHD. Perimeter of ABEHD will be equal to LAB plus BE plus EH plus HD plus AD. AB equals to 10, BE will be equal to 3, EH will be equal to 7, HD will be equal to 3 and AD will be equal to 10. Thus the perimeter of ABEHD will be equal to 33. Means D option is correct. Repeat करते हैं. दिया हुआ था ABCD and BGFE is a rhombus. Then AB will be 10. Then AD will be 10. Because angle is 60 और अपन ने यहाँ प्रूफ किया कि जो एंगल ABD है वो भी 60 है. मीन्स एंगल ऑफ ADB भी 60 होगा. मीन्स एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल होगा. इसका मतलब BD 10 हो गया. इसी टाइप से ट्रायंगल CHE में एंगल से 60 दिया हुआ था तो HEB ट्रायंगल CHE भी एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल होगा. तो यहाँ से जो HE है वो भी 7 मिलेगी. इन ट्रायंगल BEG BE इज 3. अच्छा हम ABEHD का पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना चाहते थे जो कि AB प्लस BE प्लस HE प्लस HD प्लस DA के इक्वल होगा. तो यहाँ से इनकी वैल्यूज रखते हैं. AB इक्वल्स टू 10, B इक्वल्स टू 3, EH इक्वल्स टू 7 HD equals to 3 and D equals to 10. The total perimeter is. Now we see next question. Question number 4. Question number 13. If 3a plus 1 equals to 2b minus 1 equals to 5c plus 3 equals to 7d plus 1 equals to 15, then the value of 3a minus b plus 5c minus 9d. Here 4 equations is given. 3a plus 1 equals to 15. From here we find that 3a equals to 14. A will be equals to 14 upon 3. Now by second equation, 2b minus 1 equals to 15. Then 2b equals to 14. Then 2b equals to 16. And we find that b equals to 8. Such that by third equation, we find that 5c plus 3 equals to 15 means 5c equals to 12 and c equals to 12 upon 5. Again by fourth equation, we find that 7d plus 1 equals to 15 means 7d equals to 14 and d will be equal to 2. Here by fourth equations, we have find that value of a and b and c and d. Now we want to find the value of 3a minus b plus 5c minus 9d. We substitute the value of a, b, c and d in this equation and find the value of given expression. 3 into 14 by 3 minus 8 plus 5 into 12 upon 5 minus 9 into 2. We solve this equation. This give 14 minus 8 plus 12 minus 18. When we solve this equation, we find that 26 minus 26 means result is 0. Again, we see the question. Question is given that if 3a plus 1 equals to 2b minus 1 equals to 5c plus 3 equals to 7d plus 1 equals to 15 means here 4 equation is given. First equation is 3a plus 1 equals to 15. From here we find the value of a equals to 14 by 3. By second equation we find the value of b equals to 8 and by third equation we find the value of c which is equal to 12 by 5 and by fourth equation we find the value of d which is equal to 2. Now these values we substitute in given expression which we want to find 3a minus b plus 5c minus 9d. When we put the value of a, b and c and d, we find the total result is 0 means a option is correct. Next question. Question number 14. The perimeter of an isosceles right angle triangle is 2012. Its area is means suppose ABC is right angle triangle. Because it is isosceles, so let the sides AB equals to A and BC equals to A. Because ABC is right angle triangle, so AC will be equal to root 2A. From here we find perimeter A plus 2A root 2A. It is given that 2012. Then 2A plus root 2A equals to 2012. From here A equals to 2012 upon 2 plus root. Now we want to find the area of this triangle. Now area of triangle ABC will be equals to half into base into height means half into A into A. Now we put the value of A half into P upon 2 plus root 2 square. When we solve this, P square upon 4 plus 2 plus 4 root 2 which is equal to P square upon 2 into 6 plus 4 root 2. Now we rationalize it. P square upon 2 into 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 upon 6 minus 4 root 2. P square, from here we take common 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 2, 6 square minus 4 root 2 square. Then resultant is this means P square 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 4. Now we put the value of P 2012 upon 2 square into 3 minus 2 root 2 which is equal to 1006 square into 3 minus to root 2, which is option B. Again, the question is given that the perimeter of an isosceles right angle triangle is 2012. Its area is, means ABC एक right angle triangle है, ये isosceles triangle है, इसलिए AB equals to 8 and BC equals to A. Because it is right angle triangle, so AC will be equal to root 2A. Perimeter is given 2012, means यहाँ से A की वैल्यू जो मिलेगी वो मिलेगी 2012 upon 2 plus root 2 या P upon 2 plus root 2. We want to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC will be equal to half of base into height, because base and height is same and will be equal to A. Thus area is half into A square. We put the value of A and solve this equation. Thus we get the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1006 square into 3 minus 2 root 2, which is option B. Now we see next question. Question number 15. It is given that 5 two-digit numbers, one of the digit is 0, add up to 100. If each digit is replaced by its 9th complement, then the sum of these 5 new number is. 5 two-digit numbers हैं. Let numbers are AB, CD, EF, GH, I 0, because one of the digit is 0. Then the sum of these numbers is equal to 100, means 10A plus B plus 10C plus D plus 10E plus F plus 10G plus H plus 10I equals to 100. From here 10 into A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus B plus D plus F plus H equals to 100. We give question number 1. Now we want to find the sum of 5 digits number if the digits are replaced by their 9th complement. We replace these digits by 9 complement, then we find the sum is 10, 9 minus A plus 9 minus C plus 9 minus E plus 9 minus G plus 9 minus I plus 9 minus B plus 9 minus D plus 9 minus F plus 9 minus H is equal to, suppose this is equal to A. From here 10 into 45 minus A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus 45 minus B plus D plus F plus H. This is equal to A. From here when we solve, it gives that 450 plus 45 minus 10 into A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus B plus D plus F plus H equals to A. From equation 1 we substitute the value of 10 into A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus B plus D plus F plus H, which is equal to 100. Then A is equal to 395, which is required answer. रिपीट करते हैं. दिया हुआ था 5 टू डिजिट नंबर, मीन्स 5 टू डिजिट नंबर्स हैं जिनमें एक डिजिट 0 है, एंड जब उनका सम किया जाता है तो वो 100 देता है. अब अगर we replace each digit by its 9th complement, then what will be the sum? Let A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I, O are 5 two digit number. Their sum is given at 100. Then we write 10A plus B plus 10C plus D plus 10E plus F plus 10G plus H plus 10I equals to 100. Now we solve and we find that equation 10 into A plus C plus E plus G plus I plus B plus D plus F plus H equals to 100. We give question number 1. Next we find the equate sum. 10 into 9 minus A, 9 minus C, 9 minus C plus 9 minus G plus 9 minus I. We replace A by 9 minus A because 9 minus A is the 9th complement of A. Thus we change all digits by its 9 complement. Let this sum is equal to a, and again we further solve. Then we find the value of a is equals to 395, which is required answer option D. Thank you.